In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube picture-in-picture on Chrome using a super simple built-in option that takes just a few seconds. This is perfect if you want to keep watching your video while browsing other tabs, checking email, or working on something else at the same time. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and go to youtube.com. Once YouTube loads, choose any video you want to watch. It can be a tutorial, a music video, a podcast, or anything else you like. Now start playing the video so the player is active on the screen. Here's the key step. Right-click once directly on the video player. When you do that, YouTube will bring up its dark right-click menu. This is important because some people accidentally right-click twice or right-click outside the player, which can bring up the wrong menu. So make sure you click on the actual video area. Once the dark YouTube menu appears, look for the option called Mini Player. Click Mini Player and YouTube will instantly shrink the video into a smaller floating window on the page. This lets you keep watching while you continue using YouTube or open other parts of the site. If you want to keep browsing, you can scroll through the page, search for another video, or even open a new tab while your video stays visible in the Mini Player. It's a simple way to multitask without losing your place. If the Mini Player doesn't appear right away, just make sure the video is playing and try right-clicking again on the player itself. Also remember, this is the Chrome browser method on YouTube, so you don't need any extra extensions or software to make it work. It's fast, free, and built right in. Now that you know how to use Mini Player on YouTube and Chrome, you can watch videos more efficiently and keep your workflow moving. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.